Hey, yeah, you lovely people. Come, let me show you how to customize a happy birthday bunting. So, on a metallic cardstock, cut out letters depending on the size you like. Then, using zigzag scissors, trim the edges. I will list all the materials that I used in the description for your reference. Now that we have all our letters trimmed, let's jazz it up a bit. I punched few flowers and leaves out of a cardstock with the help of a paper punch. I'll use these to decorate each letter. Now with the help of a pencil, press the flowers to define the petals further. Similarly, you can use a baby pillow or a sponge to work around. Here I have a lot more than I need. You don't necessarily need any professional tools. Use whatever tools you have at hand. And now one by one, stick the leaves and petals to complete the bunting. Since I had only one metallic cardstock, we had to make small letters to fit all. But if you give this one a shot, then I recommend you make the letter a little bigger in size. So when you put it up on the wall, it's nicely visible. And with the help of a glue gun, I stuck these letters on a fishing wire. You can use a regular stitching thread too. Finally, use a masking tape to put it up on the wall. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please smash that like button if you did. Drop me a comment to let me know what you think of this birthday bunting. Also, please subscribe to my channel to show your support. And hit the bell button so you don't miss on my upcoming videos. Until then, you take care and stay happy.